Hello, my friends. How are you doing? This is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I hope everyone is having a good, happy new year. And so I'm here today to announce a new open collaboration for 2023. And this particular collaboration I'm going to tell you about today is for the first 8 weeks in basically in January and February. The last date is February 24th. So this is an open collab hosted by 4 people. So besides myself, it's going to be Maria from Maria's Miscellany, Helen from Moss Cottage, and Susan from Susan Hiles Art. Yes, we all got together and chose this collab that we think you'll love and we think we'll love too. And the hashtag is Stash to Treasure or Treasures. So let me see. Let me show you exactly what it is. No S on the end. Right here. Right here is Stash to T-O Treasure. So we came up with this because we wanted to do a collab using things from our stash, right? From our crafty stash. And also, Marie and I did scraps to treasures last year, all year for 2022. Once a month, we had a prompt and we used scraps along with the prompt to help us use some of our scraps. So, and it worked very well, except I still have a lot of scraps. So, yeah, we thought this would be fun. And so it's all about recycling, reusing, and repurposing and using things from our own crafty stash. We don't have to buy anything. We just want to use what we have. So there's going to be, like I said, 8 weeks, 8 prompts. I'll have them all in my description box so you can look each week and look ahead. You can get ahead if you want. But we're going to be posting our videos on Friday starting June 13th. So the first prompt here on June 13th, which is next Friday, will be using packaging, boxes, or junk mail. So it sounds like kind of like junky stuff, right? Like trashy stuff. And that's not what this whole thing is about. This is the only junky week. Everything else is going to be like the next week is books, book pages, and book covers. The week after that, scrapbook paper, collage paper, file folders, and binders. The next week, greeting cards, playing cards, flashcards. See what I'm talking? See where I'm going with this? I'm going all stuff from our stash. And usually there's something in there. You don't have to use all of these things each week. Just pick something from here if you can. So the next week is stickers. They kind of have something to do with each other each week. Like the next week is stickers, washi tape, masking tape, duct tape, sticky stuff type of thing. The next week, fabric, lace, thread, twine, string, buttons, and the last week, beads, old jewelry, sequins, glitter, rhinestones, and bling. The bling stickers or any kind of little bling like that. But also we have toward the bottom here, we've put out some optional choices. So say you have the first week here and you say, I don't have any junk. Okay, look down at the options and there is a choice of postage stamps, envelopes, first day issue envelopes. Those are special, right? I think they are. Postcards, wallpaper, paint, pastes, and sprays. So, and if even if there's nothing on this list that you say you have nothing on this list, maybe you're brand new, but you want to participate, just look at it like the first one here, packaging, boxes, junk mail. So I used to keep was it last year? I think I had collected, I was going to make a junky junk journal. I kind of wanted to. And I had one of these, actually, it's about this size. Those little plastic baskets I have, the green ones that I've shown you before. I had one of those full of junk mail. Envelopes, all kinds of stuff I received in the mail from wherever. I think so let me tell you what ended up happening. I collected a whole box of that stuff. And I was like, I don't want to use this. I want to use my pretty papers. I'm addicted to scrapbook paper and fabric. And, you know, I've collected a lot of things from thrift stores. And I'm like, I don't want to use my junk. I hope that doesn't sound snobby or anything, but I just want to use my pretty papers and all the, you know, kind of eclectic things I've collected from thrift stores. So I got rid of it all. You know, it was just free stuff, just junk. It really was junk. So I got rid of it. And I think the only thing I collect now is Amazon bubble envelopes. I had to think long and hard about that because I keep them, but I don't even keep them in my craft room. I keep them in the other room that if you watch my reorganization videos for my craft room, I keep them in my closet in my my other room that I showed you where I keep my Etsy stuff. So I was like, I'm not keeping junk anymore. What am I going to do for this week? I do also keep paper bags. And so let's see, are paper bags in here anywhere? You know, I don't know. But that could be, if it's not, I don't remember reading paper bags. But like I keep the brown paper bags from grocery stores because I think they're really cool. Or from any store that I think is really cool, you know what I mean? A shopping bag or whatever. So that could be added, I think, to this first prompt because it's kind of like junky stuff, free stuff you got from somewhere, wherever. So I'm going to say, you know, Amazon, just as a little, you know, reminder of what we have or might have. Amazon, the bubble envelopes, and, you know, those brown ones that have, so they're so cool. I made a journal out of it once for the cover. So Amazon bubble envelopes, just to remind myself too, and grocery bags, because that is the only junky stuff I keep now. Just because I don't want to be overloaded with junky stuff. I mean, everything can be overwhelming, right? Even if it's free, we don't have to keep it just because it's free, if you want to clean up your craft room. And that's what I was doing at that time too. I was cleaning my craft room. I had this big, you know, good sized bin of all this trash. And I was just like, where do I put this? I think I'll put it in the trash. Sorry. Grocery bags, the brown ones. That's what I keep. Brown, I'm going to put brown. Just for my own reminder, because I was already looking at this. I'm like, I don't have any trash. What am I going to do? So, so besides this list here for next week, I also have the other kind of trash that I have is right here, my scrap box. So, yeah, this is a good week to pull out your scraps. I didn't write that down, did I? So this is, you know, I read all the prompts to you, so it's not necessarily scraps every week. It's something from your stash. And if you think of something that you want to use that is not on a list, please go ahead and use it. Maybe you think of something, I've been wanting to use this, and now this is giving me the motivation to use it, but it's not on the list. Please feel free to go ahead and use it and share, because that could remind us of something we have in our stash and give us ideas of how to use it. So this is all about sharing ideas and things like that. So I hope you will enjoy joining in with us. All you have to do to join the collab is, we're doing this one a little different than we did last year. We've kind of made it a little easier on you and us, I think. So here at the bottom, we have the ways to participate. Post a video on YouTube for any or all of the days. If you want to participate every week, you can. If you just want to participate part of the weeks, you can. If you just want to participate one week, you can. Just whenever you can. We like to make it easy on our collab participants, on our friends. And then the next thing is add Susan and myself, Maria and Helen, our links to your description box. So if you want to go to my description box, I will have all 4 of our links right there, right at the top. You can copy, paste, you know, it'll take 15 seconds, whatever, go back and forth, maybe even less. And boom, there, you're done. You don't have to go to each one of our channels and copy the link. So a quick way to do that, just copy and paste from mine, or probably all of us will do the same thing. And then make sure, you know, as a courtesy, make sure you're a subscriber to all of our channels when you participate in our collabs. and so subscriber, and use the hashtag. So we're not adding participants to our description box this time or making a playlist or anything. We are just going to have you use the hashtag. So we're going to get up on Friday morning, or at least that's what I do when I'm getting ready for work, and I search the hashtag and I try to start watching the videos right from the very beginning of the day. And then I will go back and search the hashtag when I have time during the week, because I know everybody doesn't post first thing in the morning, and maybe you got yours out at midnight on that Friday, and then I'll go back usually before the next Friday and search again and try to make sure I didn't miss any videos. So, and you can also let us know in my comments, let me know, and then I'll make a point of going and watching your video. That way you will have views from all four of us. And also, if we're not a subscriber to your channel, we also do the courtesy of subscribing to your channel, so that if you're trying to build your channel, that is a good way to do it, for us to subscribe to your channel, and hopefully other people from, I would encourage anyone that participates in this channel, if you go and search the hashtag and you find a channel that you're not subscribed to, go ahead and subscribe to their channel. So that way we all help each other out with growing our channels, right? So, and plus get lots of great ideas. I always love these collabs for the ideas and people come up with. It doesn't even have to be journal related. It can just be craft related. You know what I mean? In our collabs, because there were some awesome ideas in December that I just really had fun watching and would like to try sometime. So just really awesome ideas that you can get from watching collabs like this. So thank you for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed the next 8 weeks of crafting. So we won't have, we've been doing it per month. So it would be like, say, a announcement and then 3 weeks of crafting. This time it's one announcement, and then we're going to have, 7 weeks of crafting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 weeks of crafting. Awesome, right? So I can't wait to get started with whatever I'm going to do next week. It's so fun, and I will see you all. And thank you for participating, and we'll see you then. Have a great day. Happy crafting. And don't forget to check out all the other announcement videos today. And I'm sure that, even in the announcement videos, all the ladies will give you different ideas of what they're using for maybe the first prompt or some of the prompts. And that way that will also give you ideas, like I did with my whatever, Amazon bubble envelope, all that. They will give you different ideas too. So it really sparks your creativity. If you're looking for a little spark to get your mojo going this year, check them out. Check out Maria, Helen, and Susan. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later. Have a great day.